And here's another reason why we deserve to know this. The Wuhan virus has infected more than 189 million people the world over. It has killed more than 4 million already. But even those who've survived are not out of the woods. A lot of them are suffering from what's called long COVID. The virus does not leave their bodies for months. A study has found that these patients can suffer more than 200 symptoms. The virus can affect at least 10 organ systems and leave a devastating impact on not just their bodies, but their lives too. Our next report tells you all about long COVID.
Dry cough, high fever, and loss of taste or smell. These symptoms have become the identity of the Wuhan virus. Once the symptoms are gone, a patient is usually declared virus-free. But for thousands of patients worldwide, the recovery isn't so simple. The Wuhan virus is having a devastating impact on their bodies and their lives. The virus is not leaving their system. They are the patients of what's being called a long COVID. A study published in The Lancet has found just how bad the health of a patient suffering from long COVID can be. These patients show more than 200 symptoms that can affect as many as 10 organ systems. So what are the symptoms of long COVID? Fatigue, brain fog, memory loss, visual hallucinations, tremors, heart palpitations, blurred vision, and more. A British guidance says patients who show such symptoms for more than 12 weeks after an infection could be suffering from long COVID. And these symptoms could last well beyond 6 months. For these people, a Wuhan virus infection could be career-ending. 22% of the people surveyed are now unable to work. They have either quit their jobs, taken a prolonged leave, or have been fired. 45% of the respondents asked for a reduced work schedule to recover. There are long COVID patients in India too. Going by one estimate, 40 to 60% of hospitalized patients in India suffer from ongoing symptoms for 12 weeks. Out of these, 10 to 15% patients report breathlessness, joint pains, brain fog, and chronic fatigue even after 3 months of infection. Diagnosing long COVID can be a challenge for doctors. Experts say patients with suspected long COVID could be asked to take medical tests that go beyond the heart and the lungs. Just 18 months into the pandemic, experts are just beginning to understand how the Wuhan virus can ravage the body. Even those who recover from the symptoms might develop serious complications later. A study of 70,000 patients in the UK looked into this. They found sudden kidney damage to be the most common complication. 1 out of 4 patients admitted to hospital for the Wuhan virus ended up with kidney damage. 1 in 5 patients developed pneumonia in the lungs. 1 in 8 were diagnosed with heart complications, like abnormal heart rhythm and heart inflammation. These findings only flag the crisis that lies ahead for healthcare systems around the world. The virus may stop spreading in the future, but doctors could still be treating patients infected by the Wuhan virus. The virus from China changed the world permanently. More than 4 million people have lost their lives. Those who survived are still suffering. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.